the toilet. Well, I mean the bathroom by Littlest Pet Shop. Do you know animals go to the toilet?
Marshmallow fell in the toilet.
Did you know Marshmallows fall in the toilet? No, I did not know that. Littlest Pet Shop loves marshmallows, and we can't have them because we can't have dairy, but I don't care. Let's go to the playground. Please do not look. I didn't have one marshmallow. It's raining marshmallows again! Yay! Weird. I ate it! Did you know marshmallows sleep in hammocks? No, I did not know that.
And they swing too.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Weird reflection.
It's gonna slide.
Wow. Ow. Oh my. I can't believe we still have this stupid Club Penguin card here. Hi.
Oh, I'm Phil.
Stop it. I'm Lily and I'm Phil. Club Penguin.
is a
Boom, boom, boom.
stupid.
Thank you for watching and
Marshmallow!
shut